Hello friends, welcome to Mathspedia, a maths learning hub. And today before I start the session, I would like to request you to please like, share and subscribe the channel. Chalo, let's begin. So as we have already started numbers and this is our fifth video, fifth lesson, I will be starting with ascending and descending order. You have little knowledge, maybe you have learnt in the previous classes what is ascending and what is descending. Let's recall it. See, ascending is going up, going from smaller to greater. When you are given some numbers, you arrange them in the either ascending order or in descending order. So for that you need to compare the numbers. You have to find out which number is smallest, that I have to write for the ascending order, and then gradually I'll write even bigger and then I'll go to the greatest number, right? And for descending order you have to find out which is the greatest number, then slowly gradually you will move to the smallest number. So it is as if you are climbing a ladder for ascending order. You are going from bottom to top, and for descending order you are coming down. You are climbing down the ladder from top to bottom, because you are writing the greatest number first, then the smallest last, right? So for comparing the numbers, let us have a place value chart, write some numbers in that, and then we will compare them, which is bigger, which is smaller, right? So see, every time you need not make the place value chart to compare the numbers or to write them in the ascending or descending order. This is just for our convenience, so that we can easily compare them. You just need to insert the commas in the numbers if they are not inserted, and then it will be easy for you to compare the numbers, right? So here my first number goes like this: 23 crore 48 lakh 95,187, and the second number is 32 crore 85 lakh 93,291. So whenever you compare two numbers, you have to start with the highest place value. Here the highest place value is TC, 10 crore. So as you can see, 2 is smaller than 3, right? 2 is smaller than 3. See, this is a smaller sign, I know you must be knowing this, and this is the greater sign, right? And this is equal sign. Whenever the two numbers wherein all the digits, all the place value digits are same, exactly same, you will say both the numbers are same, right? Otherwise, either the number is smaller or the greater. Some of you find it difficult, or maybe they are confused with the sign greater and smaller. Always remember, as if this is a crocodile's open mouth. Crocodile is hungry, it wants to eat someone, so it always eats the bigger animal, right? So the mouth will be always open towards the bigger number, whereas in this case if you see 2 is smaller than 3, so the mouth is open towards 3. If if I write like this, 3 is greater than 2. See, again the mouth is open towards the bigger number. So mouth is open towards bigger number, that means towards the open mouth bigger number will be written. So I will read it as 3 is greater than 2, and here I will read it as 2 is smaller than 3. So from these two numbers, 23 crore and 32 crore, this number is smaller and this is greater, right? I hope this is clear. Let's take another example, so that if some places are same, then in that case what will we do? Here it is 83 crore 62 lakh 27,901, and the second number is 83 crore 90 lakh 37,283. right? If you compare these two first numbers, 10 crore places, they are equal. 3 also, then you move to the next place value, that is also equal. Then you keep moving to the smaller place value until you find either of the digit is smaller or greater. But if you see all digits are equal, then you will say the number is equal. Clear? So here you see 6 is 6, it is not only 6, it is 6 TL, that means 60 lakh is smaller than 9 TL, that means 90 lakh. So obviously this number again is smaller and this number is greater. So once you have learned how to compare the numbers, then it will be easy for you to write them in the ascending and descending order. So let's have an example. Like here I have given some numbers which I have to arrange in the ascending and in the descending order both. So again I have a place value chart, but as I told you, you need not make a place value chart all the time. You just have to insert the commas if they are not inserted in the numbers. So here they are not inserted. So first I will show you that way also and with the place value chart also. So this is what is my place value chart ready. Let me insert the commas. After 3 digits 2, 2, 3 digits 2, 2, 3 digits 2, 2, right, 3 digits 2, 2. So my first number is how many places are there? 5, 6, 7, 8 places. So it will start with the crores place. So it will be here 8, 7, 1, 29,684, right? And here the second number is 41, 89 lakh 23,000, right, 685. The next third number is 41, 98, 92,347, and the last number is 40 crore 57 lakh 39,712. So for ascending and descending, let's take for ascending. First ascending, right? For ascending we need the smallest number first. So from the chart it is very obvious, like in the very first number one place is less. So that means this is the smallest number. So I will number it as 1 because this I am going to write first in the ascending order. Now from the rest of the numbers, if you see, first place is equal, right? Let's compare the next place, that means crores place. So you will find 0 is the smallest number from these two. So this is my next number that I will be writing in the ascending order. Now if I compare these two numbers, second and third, 4 is same, 1 crore is also same. Now here if you see, 8 is smaller than 9. That means 80 lakh is smaller than 90 lakh. So my next smaller number will be this, and then this will be the greatest number. So if I write in the ascending order, I will write first 88 crore, then second 40 crore, then 41 crore 89 lakh, and then last 41 crore 98 lakh. Whereas for the descending order, I have to find out the greatest number first. So whatever was the last number written in the ascending order, that you will write first in the descending order, is the ascending order. And as I told you, this sign is open towards the bigger number. So I can say 8 crore 71 lakh 29,684 is smaller than 40 crore 57 lakh 39,712, and so on. And whereas for the descending order, this last number is written first here, if you see, and this first number is written last here, and these two places are interchanged, right? So this is how you write the numbers in ascending and descending order.